attorney Amy Bailey, and for today's Trademark Tip Tuesday video, we're going to talk about the difference between the trademark designation TM and the R within a circle. So anyone who's using a mark in a trademark-like capacity can use the designation TM. It can be just a common law trademark, it can be a state or federally registered trademark. But to use the R within a circle, you have to be a owner of a federally registered trademark. So only the USPTO approved trademarks can use the R within a circle.